neat, suck it to the beat. Bitch, I go by drill, let's keep it real. Yo, bitch, call me dad.
Goddamn. You know what the fuck going? Goddamn. Woke up this morning and went to goddamn Roseman Lane. And then goddamn I cleaned my goddamn apartment and shit. And damn. And then, and no, I'm putting it all in. And then I had rolled up and then ate some cereal. And now we about to go face riding. So hold on. So y'all, I gotta goddamn tag this today. Me too. Yeah, she goddamn got my name on her leg and everything. So if you see her say it me happening, she's telling a damn lie. She's telling a damn lie. She's a liar and a fucking snake. You trying to throw me in the fucking bait. So yeah, we're going to the, what's it called?
I don't know.
It's some type of fucking rock, I guess. And she's trying to take us to. She's trying to go to some rock, y'all. So we going to go to the damn rock. And then I guess we finna smoke. And yeah. So yeah.
Fuck.
If ain't nobody out there, we gon' be on the rock with it and rock with it. So yeah. So goddamn. Goddamn.
That was the bomb threat girls.
That was the bomb threat girls. Y'all was lame for that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm letting her drive.
Should I take the highway?
I thought that's what you were doing. So goddamn. Well, they scared nice as fuck. But yeah, we got them in the scat. I'm hoping I'm not making a big goddamn mistake. But yeah, I gotta see how she drive this bitch. So yeah, we about to.
You see that up there? Look at that tire. Well, you can't see it now.
Oh, yeah, on the back. You get me a few weeks. But yeah, we're on the way to goddamn yeah, so. Oh. Scat pad. Yeah. Oh. So good.
Why are you eating those?
Why?
And those are mine. You did not bring those.
I was wondering how they got in the book bag because I didn't put them in there.
What the fuck? Them was not your snack.
You only brought one?
Yes. So we outside.
Literally at the goddamn, what is it? A waterfall. And shit.
Oh, they in the shit. They deep in
Oh
the
shit. And I'm high and about to get high again. And yeah. You wanna walk down there? I should have wore some bad shoes. We about to, oh shit. What? I had my shit in there. We about to walk all the way down there. I wanna see like some animals.
I hope you don't see my fucking
I was a kid, I like to chase animals. Just, people can hide a body out here. People can hide a body out here. It look like the shit they had the Ninja Turtles in. What the fuck? I'm gonna just have to fuck my shoes up. Fuck it.
I'm about to tell you, put that slides on.
Yeah, I'm about to put my slides on. But yeah. What? What? What?
It's right here. You want to see that?
Oh goddamn, I'm about to dive in that shit. Really? But goddamn, yeah, we outside. So, goddamn, we done found a new spot. And it's giving Hunger Games, but I fucked with it. Yeah, redhead always gives your ass.
What the fuck? What the fuck just fell out that goddamn tree that was that goddamn party? What the fuck? Did somebody throw a rock?
Fucking dog. Gotta just like me. Now shit. Some simple goddamn. Gotta get something to eat as goddamn. Yeah. Okay, so we at Wild Wings with it goddamn, so we finna get some goddamn wings and shit. And goddamn, they put us at this ugly ass table, and I wanted the booth, but it's okay. But yeah, so fucking goddamn got us some goddamn candy. Goddamn gum. Like, why we made it back to the spot, and so we just goddamn we just goddamn and we about to damn bring it on in for the night, and I'm about to smoke, and goddamn that my do-rag trying to come off and shit. But yeah, so oh shit. But yeah, goddamn, you know what to goddamn do? Like, comment, subscribe, goddamn.
Say that it's up, then it's up. Okay. You know we don't get no fault. Okay. You know we keeping a court.